The world's largest technology company, Apple, AAPL, has been a household name ever since the 1980s. Today, it's the business behind the biggest products on the market. Apple is one of the most controversial stocks on the market. In this video, we will check out Apple's stock forecast. Number 5. Will the Apple share price go up? As we move forward to the middle of November, shares of the iconic iPhone maker are trading at $117.13, which is 15% down from its peak of $137.98 at the beginning of September. The 2-month bearish trend follows the big news about Apple becoming the first U.S. company to surpass $2 trillion in market capitalization in August. During the hectic election week, Apple stock surged from $107.30 to $119 in 4 days. Apple shares found strong support at the $100 level, and there is a view that Apple will climb up to $120 in the coming weeks. If the price surge above this level, this may serve as a clear buy signal, as the stock will be able to move up to $130. Otherwise, if the price goes below $100, this should be considered as a sell signal, with the price potentially going down to $90. Looking forward to the Apple share price prediction, we can see that 36 analysts surveyed by CNN Money offers the median price target for Apple stock at $133 within the next 12 months, which represents almost 15% growth from its previous closing price of $115. The highest analyst target for Apple stock projection is $150, and the lowest one is $74.10. Still, 39 analysts sharing their consensus rating for Apple stock in 2021 agree that it is a buy. Another analytical service, Wallet Investor, is also bullish about the Apple share price forecast for 2021. It gives a $139 median price target for the next 12 months, considering Apple a good long-term investment. According to its Apple stock outlook, the stock's price will rise to $233 during a 5-year period. Number 4. Apple stock forecast 2021. Is Apple a good stock to buy? Apple is so big that it is hard to believe in a big breakout for a stock that takes a lot to move the needle. However, this is exactly what may happen in 2021. According to the latest Apple share price forecast by Luke Lango, Investor Place market analyst, Apple is moving towards record-breaking earnings in 2021, which will result in a huge rally for the Apple stock. What are the major implications? Hardware business boom, triggered by the biggest iPhone launch in a decade. The first day of 5G iPhone pre-orders registered 2 million units, which is 100% up from last year. The increasing work-from-home, learn-from-home trends also bode well for selling more Macs and iPads. Software service boom. A new Apple One bundle can be a successful all-in-one subscription service package. A bundle including Apple Music and Apple TV Plus will cause a surge in TV viewers and further signups. Another popular service is Apple Fitness Plus, which satisfies the growing demand for high-quality workout from home videos. If you share this super optimistic Apple shares forecast, you could consider buying the dip in late 2020 caused by election uncertainty and COVID-19 headwinds. Number 3. Short-term Apple price predictions for 2021. What do the analysts say? For prospective investors, Apple can be an intimidating buy. The size of the company means it would need a serious breakout in order for significant profits to trickle down to its investor network. However, the good news is that many analysts believe this could actually happen. After a record-breaking Q4 in 2020, Apple could be set to scale new heights in 2021. Let's take a closer look at some of these predictions. At the time of writing, the Apple stock price is $117.13, still a little short of its all-time high, ATH, of $137.98. According to the analyst surveyed on CNN Money, the median price target for Apple in 1 year's time is $133. This would represent a growth rate of almost 15% from its closing price of $115.98 in 2019. The maximum Apple stock price prediction reported by CNN Money is $150. This would be a growth rate of 29.3%, smashing its previous ATH. Although the potential low is much more bearish, it clocks in at just $74.10. The CNN analysts agree that the Apple stock is a strong buy, and they're not alone. The team at Wallet Investor also believes the stock price of Apple will increase across 2021. Its predictions place its value at around $120 in January, with this figure rising steadily throughout the rest of the year. Wallet Investor is also bullish about the Apple share price forecast in 2021. It gives a $138 average price target by the end of 2021. Unlike CNN Money, however, there's very little disparity between the minimum and maximum forecasts given by Wallet Investor. In December 2021, for example, the platform predicts we could see lows of $144.45 and highs of $145.67. This bullish trend will take Apple to a new ATH. Number 2. Long-term Apple stock price predictions 2022 to 2025. With the exception of Goldman Sachs, the short-term price predictions for Apple are relatively bullish. To find out whether this growth is sustainable, let's look ahead to the long-term price predictions for 2022 to 2025. From Wallet Investor, the long-term advice is clearly to buy. Its website states that people who invest $100 in the Apple stock today could gain an extra $89.03 by 2025. According to these predictions, we could expect to see Apple stock to hit a yearly high of $239.69 by the end of 2025. December is the only month in which the growth rate is negative, following on from 11 months of modest growth. While this could hardly be called a breakout year, it could be possible to cash in on these steady gains if you time your trades right, or more likely, buy to hold a long-term position. According to its Apple stock outlook, the stock's price will rise to $233 during a 5-year period, considering Apple stock a good long-term investment. So, how do other long-term predictions compare? Another long-term forecast comes from the platform AI Pickup. This is a far more bullish prediction that believes that Apple stock could hit the $200 mark much sooner than 2025. In fact, AI Pickup thinks the Apple stock price will be $202.07 in 2021, rising to $287.47 by the end of 2022, $290.83 by the end of 2023, $332.67 by the end of 2024, and an impressive $362.24 by the end of 2025. Pickup predicts that a major breakout period will occur in September 2025. Number 1. Apple stock. Buy or sell? From positive views to a spoonful of tar from Goldman Sachs, the bank has been a long-standing bear on Apple, reaffirming its sell rating after the latest Apple earnings results and the delayed launch of the new iPhone 12. Giving his view on whether the Apple stock is a buy or sell, Goldman Sachs analyst Rod Hall said that the stock is on the verge of collapse. Believing in a nasty fall, he estimated that the stock's price may decline 36% from its current price near $118, giving the price target from $80 to $75. The analyst's major concern is disappointing iPhone sales. After the Apple's earning call, Hall said Apple's commentary points towards the weaker 5G iPhone cycle we have been forecasting rather than the super cycle expected by consensus. However, even if iPhone sales put some pressure on Apple stock performance, we should take into account the strong Mac and iPad sales during the coronavirus lockdown and the booming Apple services business, which can support the company's profit growth. Therefore, even considering the risk, investors should not rush to sell their Apple shares soon, because the longer-term view is still bright. Do let us know in the comment if you are an Apple lover or not. What do you think of Apple stock? Please subscribe to the Stock Advisor. Thanks for watching.